Hi guys, good to see you again. Today you will learn how to make and use the past perfect tense. As always, let's start with the positive or affirmative form. To make it, we need a subject, for example, I, had, and the past participle of a verb, for example, studied.
I had studied. You had studied. He had studied. She had studied. It had studied. We had studied. You had studied. They had studied.
To make the negative form, we need a subject, had, not, and the past participle of a verb, for example, bought.
I had not bought it. You had not bought it. He had not bought it. She had not bought it. It had not bought it. We had not bought it. You had not bought it. They had not bought it.
To make questions, we need had, a subject, and the past participle of a verb, for example, eaten.
Had I eaten? Had you eaten? Had he eaten? Had she eaten? Had it eaten? Had we eaten? Had you eaten? Had they eaten?
And to make WH questions, we start questions with question words, for example, why or where.
Why had I left? Where had you lived? What had he studied? How had she arrived? Why had it snowed? Where had we gone? What had you ordered? Where had they met?
And now that you know how to make the past perfect tense, let's learn how to use it. We use it to show that one action happened before another action in the past.
When I came home, he had baked a cake. First, he baked a cake, and then I came home. She called them, but they had already left. First, they left, and then she called them. You'd finished reading your book before I started reading mine. First, you finished reading your book, and then I started reading my book.
We also use it to talk about time until a certain point in the past.
We had spent all the money before we even finished renovating the house. By the time I was 19, I had already been to 30 countries. He had had this beautiful summer house for 8 years before he decided to sell it.
Now let's do the exercise. Watch this playlist to learn more about past tenses in English. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel to be up to date with my English lessons. Have a great day and I'll see you next time. Bye!